Hello everyone, my name is Emily Edwards and today I will be talking to you about shark finning. We are mainly going to be talking about what is shark finning, why sharks are important, and how sharks are being protected. So first, what is shark finning? Shark finning is the act of cutting the fins off of a shark while they are still alive and then dumping the shark back into the ocean, usually leaving it to die slowly. The sharks usually end up dying because of suffocation or blood loss. And the reason they are tossed back into the ocean is because of the high value of their fins, but the low value of the actual shark meat on their body. Many countries have put a ban on shark finning, including the United States, but places like Taiwan and China think of shark fins as like a high delicacy, and some fishers in the United States and other places where they have a ban on it still find loopholes, such as they still are able to legally sell the fins from a landed shark. Why are sharks important? Sharks play a big role in the ecosystem. They are an apex predator, so they play a huge part in maintaining the number of species below them in the food chain. And with them being an apex predator, they also are a main reason, and they help a lot out with biodiversity. The decline of sharks has seen a big decrease in coral reefs and seagrass, and it also has seen a big increase in smaller fish that have mass population now, such as shrimp. Without predators like sharks, herbivores that feed off of coral reefs are being mass produced and they have a huge population. So these reefs ecosystems are being overrun with these herbivores that eat the plants and algae that are core for these coral reefs not to survive. Sharks keep the food chain in balance and are very important to biodiversity. Usually, with shark finning, the bigger sharks like whale sharks and basking sharks, their fins are used mainly for decoration, while the smaller ones are used for shark fin soup. And around 73 million sharks are killed annually in the shark trade, with around 20 million of them being the blue shark, which is the most common shark. How are sharks being protected? There are many different organizations and research groups which try to contribute and protect sharks from shark finning. Clothing brands like the Shark Trust and Fanatics, they are a big part of raising awareness to stop shark finning, and they usually donate some percentage of their earnings to organizations or research projects which physically help this issue. The University of Miami has a big shark research and conservation program, and in the program they work with sharks usually by tagging them on the fins, which causes the shark no harm, and they use that to track the shark's location so they can see the hot spots and the breeding areas of the sharks, and they can see where the sharks give birth so they can make it more well known where fishers should stay away from so they don't get sharks caught in their net. And with this info, they are able to tell policymakers about this so they can implement effective management strategies so that shark conservation can increase. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation on the importance of preventing shark finning and how sharks impact our ecosystem. I have listed a few sources if you want to find out more about this topic or get yourself involved at all. I linked to the University of Miami Research and Conservation Program in case you want to learn more and see how you can help. Thank you so much.